You've made the decision. Mexico manufacturing is right for your company. You need new markets, a cost-effective offer, and you know your competitors are leveraging Mexico. But that's easier said than done. Where do you even begin with subcontracting or operating as a standalone? And what about location? And what are the unknowns? There's the issues at the border, startup and administrative cost, understanding and adapting to Mexican culture, navigating Mexican compliance. You need a proven and simple route of establishing a speedy startup that minimizes your risk while giving you absolute control while putting production in your hands. You need Entrada Group. The Entrada manufacturing platform has supported small to mid-sized manufacturers in multiple industries. Today's Entrada's client employs over 6,000 workers throughout the platform. Our 5 pillars offering facilities, manufacturing campuses, managed services, startup coverage, and corporate infrastructure allow the manufacturer to focus on its core competency. In each pillar, the platform leverages scale through the campus for each individual client, a critical game changer for small and medium-sized companies to compete against their larger competitors. Don't trust this video? Come see the platform in action for yourself.